For low to medium volume packaging operations that want to get shipments out the door faster, the Sealed Air brand Instapacker Tabletop foam and bag system is the industry-leading solution. Producing up to 16 bags per minute and compatible with 2 fixed bag widths, this affordable and easy-to-use system improves packaging efficiency while providing superior protection for your products. The Instapacker Tabletop system is ideal for limited space constraints and can be integrated into any production line, saving valuable warehouse space. Use the intuitive control panel to select the foam fill amount from 10 preset touch keys and choose from bag delay options of 3 seconds, 6 seconds, or continuous fill. The Instapacker Tabletop system works with any of the Instapak high-performance packaging foams, which come in densities ranging from ultralight to rigid. The foam expands and conforms to any shape in seconds, giving you the right amount of protection when and where you need it. With the Instapacker Tabletop semi-automated system, your packaging operation will be more efficient and more versatile than ever before.